Hi, my beautiful people. This is Val, but this is how you do it. And I got some chicken in here that it was washed when I put it up, so I'm taking it out. And it's semi-thawed out now. Got a few pieces that's still trying to hang on. I got some. All I have in this pot right now is some water. This was the pot that I made the spaghetti in, and the reason I still got that sauce in there is because I'm going to add the same ingredients that I made the spaghetti with back in here. That's how I'm going to do this chicken. I'm going to slow cook this chicken with some rotel, tomatoes, in here. Marinara sauce. Just a little bit. Since it's chicken, hopefully it'll soak up some of this. Sweet to combat the heat. Because where there's heat, there has to be sweet. That's sugar. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Now, go over here in this season pack over here. Turn this on. And the fire is on. Now, start throwing in some seasoning. Garlic. My salt. Now this is, my garlic salt. So this is my salt. This garlic plus salt. A little of this paprika in here. It's got some heat in there, smoked, roasted paprika. Throw some of this parsley in here. Some of this cumin. It reminds me of a chicken parmesan, but not using the breast chicken. But I'm gonna let it cook slow, and I may throw some cheese on it toward the end. This is something I made up, so for some different type of seasoning. Put some of this tamarind in it. That's all I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna let it cook. Stir these seasoning down in here. Like I say, it's gonna be like a chicken parmesan. Maybe I'll pour some of this over some noodles. Probably use some egg noodles this time. We'll see how this cook, how it turn out. I decided to do rice. Make this a like a Mexican spicy rice kind of thing. And I got 3 cups of rice, which I'm gonna wash, and I'll be right back.
See that up there over there? There's a nice young lady running it.
Okay.
I need you to keep an eye on her. She's some kind of trouble.
Make sure that we're still filming here.
Wait, where are you going? To have a drink. This is a professional team pitch. If they were brought on to execute this,
Yeah, I believe we.
unfortunately,
Yeah, we're still filming. Just had to make sure. I'm going to put the rice in here. Now I was going to fish the meat out, but I left it in. But I may still fish it out. Putting 3 cups of rice in here. Putting it down the middle so I can spread it underneath the bottom, like this. Make sure it's not sitting right on top of the meat or anything. Making sure it's all spread out. All of this good stuff. Get that pepper out of there. Big old pepper.
Please resist the temptation to test the limits of my system. Do I seem like the kind of guy who would let you in?
Got a lot of spices in here. Now, let that just cook down.
And they don't dilute the whiskey.
Let me stop
The
it.
way a tight plan doesn't obscure its objectives. Is that to protect you from me? No. That might help against your century.
I haven't stopped it yet. Well, you guys, this is what the Spanish rice will look like. Instead of Mexican rice, I call it should be better called Spanish rice. That would be a better name for it. Now, I'm going to put this back in here and try to let as much liquid as can continue to cook out of this, or just let it sit and it'll just automatically, I'm going to cut it off. And if it has a little juice in it, that's fine with me. Keep it from drying out. But I just want you to see what the rice looks like, the rice part of it all. And that's just a dish I thought of while trying to think of something to cook. They keep saying 2 weeks worth of food, 2 weeks worth of food. You got 2 weeks worth of food in your house already. You don't have to go buy all the stores out. If you really think about it, and you're really playing well, like the spaghetti we had, that spaghetti lasts 4 days. This right here, ain't no telling how long this will last. And then when it get low, all you gotta do is add some green beans with it on the side with your meat, or add some corn on the side. You know, just different stuff. If you want to, but beginning, this is enough for one meal or 2 meals. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. I talk to all you beautiful people in the next video. That Spanish rice can also be good for breakfast time with some eggs without that meat. But just think about what you got in your kitchen and figure out what would go good with it. See, I started out with the chicken. I ended up with the rice. Now we have Spanish rice. And I talk to all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I appreciate it. See you on the next one. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you.